Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. I have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And you will get this in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. There we go. What do we got here? Bada boom. Whoa. Tripod selfie stick. Definitely need a new one. My other one that I used a lot finally gave out. So this is coming from GEEK. Let's take a look. A little tiny little guy. Alright, right there. Oops. It's like a lightsaber or a baton. Nice color to it, red and black. There we got the camera for Bluetooth. How do I pull it out? Whoa. Dang. Oh, sweet. This is pretty long. Oh, yeah. There we go. This is a nice one. Here we go. Oh man. Put the iPhone right here. There we go. Fits perfectly over the phone case. Really nice. I'll be using that now for videos, and you guys can use them too. All I gotta do is click the link down below, check these guys out, and they'll ship this to you really fast. There you go. It's definitely a nice one. Here's the back. Alright guys, you guys be safe. Have a good one. See you soon.